Many a times we need to use images for different purposes, but there are instances when images with background does not look good. Therefore, in this quick video, I will tell you how you can remove the background of an image and make it beautiful like this within seconds just by using Microsoft PowerPoint. Suppose you want to use this image of a boy, but it has a purple background and you do not want this background. So just copy this image to the PowerPoint and double click on the image or click on Format Picture. Then click Remove Background. It will automatically remove the background from the image. But with some images like this one, you need a few more clicks to select area you want to keep or areas you want to deselect. Then by clicking and dragging the mouse over the area, you can generate a background-free image. This is especially useful if your presentation background is of different color or if you want to overlay it on some other image or other text. You can group the images together and you can also save this image without background to be used later on different platforms or in presentations. I hope this video will help you in your work. Stay connected for more such interesting stuff with Explore Bio.